Hello everyone, how to do it's back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook name on Facebook Lite app. So you have to go here. You can see three line at top right corner on the screen. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you will see here the option settings and privacy, and under settings and privacy you will see settings. Simply click on settings, and here you will see some option, but you need to click here the option personal and account information. So the first option, simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you will see some information here, personal information. So you have to click the first option, name. Simply click on name, and then you can change your name here. So first name, middle name, and last name. So I'm just going to write something like or you can type anything, your name, or you can no. And then review change. You can see if you change your name on Facebook or Instagram, you can't change it again for 60 days. So you have to choose wisely, because you aren't able to change your name before 60 days. So after that, click save review change. So once you click review change, then you will see two options, and you have to give your password here, and that save change, then it will be changed. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.